Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today I'm excited to share with you another unboxing, and this time it's from Gucci. I received this also, guys, as one of the presents during my special day, and of course I'm excited to use it soon. But before that, I want to share it with you. I want to do an unboxing with you, so let's do it. All right, guys, let's open it. Let's take it out of this beautiful Gucci bag and see what we got inside. Now let's undo the ribbon. There we go. Let's take it off. All right, guys, are you ready? Okay, let's open the box. All right, guys, so let's take off these papers and let's open this. See what's inside. There we go, guys. It's a beautiful pair of Gucci sneakers, and of course it comes with extra pair of shoelaces. We have two dust bags. There's one and two, and of course it comes with care cards. There's one, two, and three. So let's take the sneakers out of the box and out of the plastic bag. So it's the women's Ace GG Supreme sneakers, guys, with flowers and butterflies on beige ebony GG Supreme canvas. And of course, it has that green and red web stripe on both sides and red leather detail on the back of one shoe and green on the other. It has a flat rubber sole, guys, with a height of 0.8 inches. All right, there it is. So let's remove this one, guys. See, it says remove only after sale. So that's what we are doing right now. Let's remove that. Let's also remove this tissue that they put inside. And yes, this pair of sneakers, guys, are made in Italy. We can see it here and here. And yes, these sneakers are size 37 because I'm a size 7, guys. And the interior of the sneakers are made of nice white leather. Inside we can see the serial numbers right here, right there, and here you can see it says Gucci and it's made in Italy. So these products, guys, are embedded with RFID or radio frequency identification that contains the product's unique identification number and provides information about the product's manufacturing and logistics history, as well as enhanced capabilities to certify products' authenticity. As to how we care for our sneakers, guys, we should protect this from direct sunlight, heat, and rain. But of course, sometimes we really can't avoid that, right? So we just have to use this accordingly. Should it become wet, we have to dry it immediately with soft cloth, or when it gets dirty, we should clean it with soft dry cloth or brush. And we should also fill the shoe with tissue paper to help maintain the shape and absorb humidity, then store it in the provided flannel bags and box. So I showed you a while ago, we have a tissue. It was here, and then we remove it. And we also have a flannel bags that I showed you a while ago, which are the dust bags for the shoes. That's our beautiful Gucci sneakers. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you are new to my channel to get notified whenever I upload new video, and share it with your friends. If you already have this pair of sneakers or planning to buy one, let me know your thoughts about them by leaving me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye!